a new day. I told you I was gonna record me assembling this right here. So y'all, I didn't do my hair, so my little swoops are gone. Okay, I just got excited and I was like, let's get ready. So this is the shower head. I'm just looking at the material here. Cause this is like this part here. It's like rubbers. So, okay, I'm gonna just face it down for right now. This is the other shower head. It looks like it has different features because you can move it quite a few. I like it. I'm gonna face that over here. All right, this must be the filter or something like that. I'm gonna have to go get my manual because I don't know what I'm doing. This is part of the filter that goes with. I think these two go together. I don't know, just guessing. And we got something like this. I got me a wrench. Got my wrench. Got a wrench. This is a adhesive holder for this. And then this is the water hose for this. Then we got some tape, it looked like. And then we got some extra components if like anything gone missing. Pretty cool. Now let me go get the manual because I don't know what I'm doing. I gotta go find out, go get the directions on how to assemble all this. So be back. Alright, so it says so this is the filter. Did this come apart? What's this? I know this come apart. Yeah, there we go. I had to twist it a little bit harder. That's really, really nice. So I have two filters. One already come inside of here, inside of this storage unit. And then I have an extra spare for when, you know, it's time to replace. So I'm really happy with that. Put this back the way it was. I think that was like that. So on the direction, it tells me, I don't know how this thing goes. I'm gonna put this in here. There we go. Then that. So on the direction here, I'm supposed to rinse this shower filter. I'm supposed to place it under the faucet water so that it can flush out the carbon particles and the remnants from this filter. and I'm supposed to let it run under the water for 20 seconds until the water is clear. And then I'm supposed to turn the filter upside down and flush it again. So one side, flush it, then flip it upside down and flush it. But we're not at that step yet. I just need to assemble everything. So I'm not gonna touch this just yet, but I need to get this assembled correctly. So it has this little clear cap on here. I'm just gonna remove it. Am I supposed to be removing this? I really don't know, but let's see. Normally, y'all, I don't be reading the instructions, and I just be connecting everything. So I don't know which end go to what end. That must go to another. I'm not trying to break the glass. Okay, so I'm guessing, because I don't know, but I think this goes together. Yeah. All right. Okay. So we got that on there, and what else? Okay. So I think this goes to where my shower goes, and then one goes to the shower. If I understand this correctly. And okay, so I'm thinking this sits out. This is on the side. Okay. This goes here. I'm using my wrench to tighten it. What was that? There we go. Tighten it because we don't want no leaks. And then the side. Then we need the bottom. This bottom. Okay. And this is where the shower head comes into play, I believe. And then there's like a little filter inside of that, and I have an extra one for when I change it. So I like that. I would put two, but that'll probably be too much going on, but I'm gonna just put my little, this is to not cause leak. So that's gonna be inside. Then put this one together. Please don't fall. Just turn this around. Actually, let's just turn this around. Okay. And then that's, I'm all over the place. And I hope I put it in there, turned it tight, because that's as much as I could turn it. I think everything is on there tight. I think it's good. Okay, so got that. And then you can move this like that. Okay. If I wanted this to be extended, they do have arms and stuff for this, but I don't have that. Now, I believe, well, I have to rinse this out first. So for 20 seconds. And then I connect this together. And then this will go with the shower head. And I kind of want to put another filter right here. But I don't know. Let me see. Should I? And the reason why I'm doing all this is because this water has not been nice to my skin. So I had to get a filter for the water. So I'm putting another filter right here. And then my cartilage, I don't know how to say it. This is gonna go here. But I gotta rinse this out for 20 seconds. So I might do that. And then we'll assemble this in my shower. BRB. Okay, so I think this goes to this. And my wrench. tight. That's as tight as I can get it. Alright. And then my faucet would be right here. Just like this picture, y'all. So I'm scared for the next part because I have to remove the shower head and I'm scared. So I'm about to put on some gloves real quick. Hold on. This is the part I'm afraid of. Oh, I'm afraid like something gonna jump out or something. But I'm talking funny. I'm afraid that something's gonna jump out of that faucet head or something. Okay, hold on. Let me go get my little chair. I got my little footstool right here. It's not coming off. This is gonna be a while. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get this off. I'm able to get it loose. I'm nervous. Lord, please don't scare me with this. I'm about to go get a plastic bag because I just don't want to look at it. I just don't. So I'm gonna get a plastic bag. I'll be right back. I just got I have sensitive eyes, sensitive mind, and I don't want to see this. Excuse me. Okay, I got it. I don't know how it look. I don't want to look at that part. That's gonna freak me out. So, here come the magic. Hold on, my filter one is disappeared. I think we'll be alright. Hold on. I think we'll be fine. I'm just gonna try to put this on now. No. Let's try to do this. Righty tighty. Righty tighty, y'all. Righty tighty. Okay. I'm gonna have to take these gloves off. Don't try this, y'all. I'm gonna fall. All right. On the left. Okay, we in there like swim with her. Okay, I got my head on there. Looks good. Now I'm gonna go get my adhesive thingy for the handle. Be right back. Okay, so you wanna make sure it's this way up, and I'm gonna take the sticker off. There we go. There we go. So there's the adhesive side. All right, and it's up. I want my shower head to be on my left. So I'm gonna put it on the left here. 1 second. I want to make sure I angle this the way I like it. I'm gonna go ahead, put my head like I want to place it like right here. Actually, it's too high. Okay. Now, the moment of truth, if it works. Fingers crossed. The moment of truth. Let's see if I pass or fail. I'm nervous. Let's see if I pass or fail this. Okay, I'm gonna turn the water on. Oh snap! I didn't pass the test. I passed. Look at my water. It's coming out so evenly. And it's filtered. I'm so happy. Now, I got extra water. The pressure's nice. Real nice. I might, no, I'm happy with this. Because I was thinking about getting an arm or whatever. To extend it, but I'm happy with this. This is fine. I'm not gonna do anything else. Now, I'm really happy with this. Now let's see how this goes. We'll turn it on. And turn it this way. This thing come on. What's going on? This ain't working. My thing, this is not working, y'all. So let me try to see what's going on. I just figured it out. I did good. So you have to make the adjustment right here by turning this nozzle here. So I'm about to turn it. And it switches. Now I'm about to turn this. Hold on. It's working. So this is gonna help me a lot when I am washing my shower. Yeah, this is gonna help me a lot when I'm washing the shower. But let me I'm trying to turn it. There we go. I don't know if you guys can see it, but and I'm not trying to get water on the floor. It's working. And it has different pressure. Hold on, I'm gonna put y'all down real quick. So look, I got two. You got this one over here with the water. And you got that one right here with the water. And I can always take that the shower head. I don't know what that's called, so forgive me. But I could always take the extended shower head and like use it to like, um, wash this, the shower. So that's gonna showering with the what am I trying to say? So I just turned it off. I can turn this completely off, and I can just use this. And then I can, like, let's say if I'm just cleaning a tub and I'm sanitizing it, I can use this to like rinse off. That's gonna be lovely. Another thing is, I think it's children friendly. Like if you're bathing them or whatever, you can take this and like wash them and water them down. So this is really amazing. My shower experience is gonna be off the chain. Let me shut up. But yeah, yes. I'm so happy, and I did that all by myself. So happy I did that all by myself. Little things like that, it just makes me feel good, because it just makes me feel good. It makes me feel like a genius when I'm done. So I didn't have to use this at all whatsoever. Um, they do come with a lot of rubber bands to like for usage. So I used the rubber bands to stop leakage. Um, I recommend assembling it before you try to turn it on your whatever this is. I recommend you assemble the items first before you do put all this together. Um, it'll just be much easier. But on here it tells you to do it one by one item, and I think that's gonna be that would have been challenging. So what I did was I just sat at the table, I assembled everything, put everything together, and then everything was just all the components were together, and then I just went up there, exchanged it, and bada bing, bada boom, and it was done. I'm really happy about this. This is very successful. I can't wait to jump in it and take me a nice shower. The shower is about to be amazing. So I just want to go into the little spiel that the reason why, the why behind it. I was breaking out. My skin was breaking out. I was getting hives, and I didn't understand why. Why in the world was I getting hives like rash? I didn't understand it. Let me go put my robe on, because it looks like I ain't got no clothes. Okay, so the why behind it was I just kept getting these I kept getting like itchy skin, um, acne, hives, just popping out of nowhere, clusters of like a rash on my arm. I don't know if it's still there, but it was just, I don't know if you guys could see it, but all these, yeah, these were used to, once upon a time, a breakout right here, um, and like they were itching, and I just didn't understand what the heck was going on. I was like confused. So I just thought like maybe I need a filter for my water. Cause then when I was looking at the water, I noticed like on my shower, whenever it'll be like a day, like one day then pass right after I shower, and then I'm looking on like the wall, and you can see, um, what can I say? You can see like the residue the next day, and it was like the water. It was hard water, and like it was cloudy, and it was what they call them, water stains. Yeah, water stains. It was cloudy and stains of water on the shower wall, and I was like, yuck. And it's only been one day. So that's why I got me a shower filter so that it can filter out whatever the heck is coming from that wall. But I'm happy about that. That was my Christmas gift to me. Um, I'm still in the making of just getting the house organized and getting it decorated. So um, that's it for me today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, comment down below. If I highly, highly, highly recommend the Near Moon um, brand. You get more bang for your buck because you get a filter that's already ready to go, and then you get a second filter already to go. And so whenever those two are out, you could just replace it. Now I don't know the recommendation of when you have to replace the filters. I'm gonna guess like, I don't know. Should be like every 3 months. Hmm. I'm gonna say one. You could change it every 2 months, every 3 months. No more than that. That's my recommendation. But yeah, and then I can always go and get me another filter. So um I got the stainless steel Near Moon. It comes with the shower head, and it comes with the rainfall, shower head, and it's perfect. The shower head handle will be perfect for adults and kids, and you get two. You can use both, you know, and there's more water for me, so it should. I should be able to rinse off more quickly and efficiently because now I got two shower heads, so, and I could turn it on. Um, they do have like more extra components where like if you want to extend the shower head, you can get like the arms, you know, to like reach out further. But I think this is like an attachment. This one's like from the wall, from the wall, and then this looks like an attachment. So just be careful. But yeah, y'all, just I'm happy with this. I'm really happy with this. So that's all for today. You know, I could have y'all here forever. Um, but make sure make sure y'all watch all of the videos. You know, I don't skip a beat. You know what I mean? Like all my videos are good, entertaining to watch. And I'm just me, and I just keep it 100. I keep it a buck. But anyway, I love you guys. Love yourself. Love others as yourself. Self-love, babies. And I'll see you again on another video.